Why wait until bikini season rolls around to start your diet? Why not start now and get ahead of the game? If you are a woman who wants to look good, weigh less, and feel lighter by March or April, when most bikinis seem to go on sale, then this is definitely for you. Here are some quick and easy ways to start your diet now, so you can be bikini ready in time for spring break, or for any time you want to prepare yourself for the beach or your next water-based activity. This is a video on protein diet hacks to be the best version of yourself in a bikini. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to help us to give you even more videos and diet plans. Start a small, yet regular exercise routine. Whether it's walking a mile each day, or riding a bike around the neighborhood, or at least doing stretches regularly, or even twice daily, adding a little bit of exercise will help you burn more calories each day and give you an extra boost of energy that most people feel from exercise. Not only does it make you look better, but it makes you feel better too. Plus, you may get to those extra 10 or 15 pounds that are just stubbornly waiting for you to lose them. Don't skip meals. This is one of the most popular diet scams out there. In fact, most diets recommend eating every 3 hours or so. But if your goal is weight loss and not bulking up, skipping meals and depriving yourself of nutrients is not the way to go about it. This can be a recipe for disaster when you go back to work or school 2 days later and are craving food all over again, but you'll have nothing in your cabinets because you didn't eat when you had the chance. Try and stay away from the pre-packaged junk food and make the grocery store your friend. Natural foods are a great start, but if you're looking to pack on some serious pounds, then consider stocking up on protein bars, shakes, and other similar products. Protein diet hacks. Don't get tempted by the diet fads. If a diet plan is only 10 or 20 days long and you don't stick with it, it will be nearly impossible to lose weight, no matter what they promise you. At least put in the effort of sticking with it for 30 days to see if it works for you. And if it doesn't, then at least it wasn't a waste of time. Try and get enough sleep every night. Most people need 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night to feel their best. If you aren't sleeping or aren't getting enough sleep, then you're more susceptible to feeling tired and not exercising as much as you should. In addition to keeping you active during the day, exercise can aid in helping you fall asleep at night as well. By working out, your body starts getting tired and urges for restful sleep will become stronger. Once you start sleeping better on a regular basis, your body will be able to process any extra weight that may be stored because of a poor diet or eating habits. Diet hacks summary. Start an exercise routine. Don't skip meals. Eat a healthy diet. A protein diet can help, especially if you are a woman and your goal is weight loss, not gaining muscle mass. And don't be afraid to eat junk food every once in a while if you're craving it and have the cash in your pocket to buy it. Just don't make it a habit, or you'll end up looking like some of the gluttonous people on reality TV shows that are constantly trying every new fad diet there is. Here's a bikini prep protein diet plan for 3 days. Day 1. Breakfast: scrambled eggs, avocado, and tomatoes. Exercise: 30-minute run. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with extra veggies. Exercise: 30-minute bike ride, or 30 minutes at the gym doing your favorite workout. Mid-afternoon snack: oatmeal with berries and honey or protein powder mixed in. Encore meal: lean ground turkey, cheese, spinach, and cranberry sauce on a baked potato. Then follow it up with a protein shaker bar before you go to bed. Day 2. Breakfast: Dutch coffee, egg whites omelet, sliced avocado. Lunch: mango chicken salad. Exercise: 30-minute walk. Mid-afternoon snack: 1/4 cup oats, 1/4 cup skimmed milk, banana, and berries. Dinner: lean chicken breast, salad with light vinaigrette dressing, low-fat or fat-free, rice pilaf. Then follow it up with a protein shake or bar before bed. Day 3. Breakfast: gluten-free waffles topped with strawberries and low-fat milk. Lunch: roast turkey sandwich on low-carb wheat bread. Add extra veggies if desired. Exercise 30-minute bike ride. Mid-afternoon snack: 1/4 cup oats, 1/4 cup skim milk, banana berries, and protein powder. Dinner: lean steak with asparagus and mashed potatoes with low-fat cheese. Follow it up with a protein shake or bar before bed. Protein diet hacks. Be sure to supplement this diet with a healthy diet. Don't go overboard on the meat, or you'll be gaining pounds instead of losing them, especially if you work in the office all day. Also, don't skip meals. If you work out during the day, then eating your meal later is fine. If you don't work out, then eating a small protein bar will fill you up and help with weight loss. You don't want to make it into a habit of eating junk food instead of healthy food. This diet is similar to the whey protein diet, where you eat one day, rest the next day, then repeat this 2-3 times per week. The second part of this program is designed for those people who are looking to pack on muscle mass. This will greatly increase your metabolism for burning extra calories throughout the day. In order to do this effectively, we need to practice periodization. Periodization is when we vary our workouts so that we get an optimal effect from them time and time again. If we are always straining the same part of our bodies or always doing the same workouts, we stop seeing results and burn out. Our muscles become accustomed to what we're doing and stop responding to it. So if we change it up each time that we exercise, then you'll be able to get that burn or pump from your workout every time. This will vary depending on where you are in your life and your goals for the future. If your goal is to gain muscle and also lose fat at the same time, then you would need to incorporate strength training in addition to cardio. If you are a beginner, then start with the cardio exercises first. As you get stronger, then you can add on some weight training, and if your goal is to gain muscle mass, then do that first and then do the aerobic exercise on the side. If your goal is weight loss, fat loss only, then this second part can be skipped completely. The key to this is periodization. You need to shock your body with something new, so it works harder than normal to adapt and overcome it. The one problem most people run into when they are trying to gain muscle mass is that they push too hard during their workouts and end up not eating enough calories at other times of the day in order to balance everything out. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about the benefits of a good bikini prep routine. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and don't hesitate to watch our other videos. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.